Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Patrol Senna no Ekieno. One say Parliament, I think say it's a very noble institution. Omo yem gramaye. Into your cat, Omo Dimra so say, Omo respect Mamra and the Parliament. And then so you even say, Ububia, a man of short notice, only will be the delay like electoral commission or independent body. And then one of the notable and incredible institutions activities in such a way say that to me have effect on our democracy. When you want to go to any institution, you give the institution ample time. Under law, open notify beer, the least time days here 3 days. Until you should have given the issue more notice. That's the law, what the law says, and enough sufficient and reasonable notice. Number two, hitting on the street with that numbers of members of parliament, and members and minority leaders, would themselves who have huge followers, and even and then you have the celebrity status. And when celebrities even hit the street, they are attracting numbers. So you're even going and walking on the street, can attract your admirers, it can attract even your enemies. So your whole life will be at risk. And then the law requires to say, once you have the right to march, the right, they didn't want to tell this as demonstration, but with your own security at stake, knowing the stake, the situation we find ourselves in, the volatile situation where you have allowed your soldiers to demonstrate. In the demonstration, some of them are engaging in violent behavior, unlawful conduct. Now, members of parliament, you are going to hit the street. Wondering what your actions by hitting the street can cause. One, people can make Ghana at the Bua Shamu and it will lead to law what we call unlawful assembly. Number two, by hitting the street, you are putting yourself into security risk because of course street so now and now when they say your enemies can attack you, one gets the police follow armor with the protection. So under the law, and if they must also notify the police of their intention to march. Because once you hit the street, you need to go under the Public Act. Over police for sufficient notice of your intention. No more so much traffic. I arrangement. Say more bekoi, say more security. And and create crowd situation. At Nanya Bambo, Manesa, Etribayo Act Nakasano. MPs are engaging in illegality. And two, they put themselves into serious security risk. Number three, they violated the laws. Number four, they have shown fair. Meaning, they want to take the law into their own hands. In fact, the word honorable now, I can normally know police for and even more. Look at what happened. The scaffold and the kind of words the exchange words and the way up for the first time. See MPs behaving like soldiers. In fact, MPs kasa and I'm so disappointed in the minority leader. I want to do so. Obia yen say would be asumbe in the table and go the asumbe in the way of conduct to himself politically. Obia himself president material. In fact, Bambi we will be crowded here and say and then look at what they're engaging yourself in. Total illegality. And they are all lawyers. And they are but as because in your scaffold with the police, the police back go assume and now you lose an important member of parliament who has the potential to become president. And in this kind of reckless behavior by the Maduro, I can just understand what is happening to the NDC. Where are the leaders? Where are the funders? What is happening? Was it because if the police soldiers behave in a way police is for aid, I don't expect Aruna Dusu to lead the minority to engage in illegality because you can't just write in law. Meaning, the right to demonstrate, the right to march, the right to be on the street is regulated by law. And there were law. You see, the constitution does not give you absolute right. Say, constitution is saying, say, obey a demonstration, and now you go on the street. Make sure that you allow the police to be involved. And then so number two, because who right now want now to hit the street, no, you are also likely to affect the right of others.
But lawyer, NDC and Ningo Pram MP Edin Komo and what say omo and notify Parliament police marshal how omo Parliament notify that was enough.
No, it's not enough. It's total disrespect the Inspector General of Police. I'm George. Who didn't say police is for no omo hierarchy? And it's not a police, it's not Sam George Don't you know that an important institution like Parliament are more minority leader? Do you need to notify the police at Parliament? Don't you know that those police at Parliament are answerable to the IGP? In order to get the highest security, what is happening is that we notify parliamentary police for you, and I will question the data protection now. If they blame IGP to resign, they will be saying that the police acted unprofessionally. Meanwhile, the IGP is not part of it. He doesn't know anything about it. The law requires that at that highest level, no, you don't engage with the small police boys. And that's how for them. The police you find them at the Parliament House were assigned by the authorities. And you need to give them the respect. The IGP need to be respected. And the stress that you do is that you give the EC ample time, 2, 3, 4 clear days of your intention. Oh yeah, copy the IGP. Say you intend to march to meet a petition the EC, and it has serious political ramifications because your march on the street can attract your supporters, can attract security risk, can attract your enemies as well. Only MVP conform only MVP people are Nyama Moya Nanyamode. I mean, I do soon in your whole party. You know the enemies within your party. Shall we hit the street? No, people who do you hold responsible? You say that the IGP has failed in his duty, but you didn't give respect to the IGP. Mokane Sam George is fair. Respecting institution. The way of person is respecting the institution, Parliament, you can't deal with anybody if you want to deal with Parliament. The Speaker of Parliament must notify. And what you make them say, oh, come, I could hit in the street. I'm matching. Now you don't inform the Inspector General of Police of your action, your presence on the street, so that Inspector of Police can give you adequate and effective protection. Look, the police at the parliamentary house, body. Because I have a crime, or there's no fear of a crime, now it's free. And you know, more corner, more catch on so, yeah, Pabano. Almost one of the did no more. Over the parliament. Parliamentary police, over the parliament, over the man. If you come, you need to involve the highest police authorities. And it's Sam George, this clearly shows that it's an agenda. The agenda is that Sheda Poboku, the security agencies, and then let the EC look like or your back. He didn't want to meet us. That's what you do. Meanwhile, your own country. Now, he say, EC say, oh, break it for Christmas. Then you know, and then 7 December, he starts to more than 2 years. So they are entitled to leave. It is my many person who leave. Now, who don't respect the right to leave. Only says, if you have the right to leave under the Constitution, and when you work and you go to leave, and the many people leave, we don't know what to do. So we stand up. What I said, now we stand up. 1 month enough time. Parliament. It's not Parliament.
Wait, lawyer, we no, and yet demonstration. Where a march keka omonanti ye about 2 kilometers or so to present a petition.
Lilia, march demonstration be on the street. Yeah, it's a public order act. Look, these are people who are not ordinary people. They are representatives of the people. Number 2, they are high security risk persons. So their presence on the street creates security situation. Do you know how many people will mob them just seeing their role models? Me call lawyer for me to me do bia. Me nye MP, me nye politics. Me na soma. Do you know people who come to mob me? How much more do they do some more? Almost yet representatives of the largest opposition party. I currently know they are trending. Currently know they are supporters on the street. When they get information that their leaders are marching on the street, do you know what it means? It is one of the demonstration. So you see, they intentionally use certain words. They play with words. Who march out on demonstrating? What they did is amount to be on the street. Be on the street. So what do demonstrators do? They are outside on the street. That is not their usual place of work. They almost here to parliament. But this time they are marching to present a petition. It's being on the street. It's in a public domain. The Public Order Act. Public Order Act is to regulate the public. Regulate the public space. So anybody who wants to use the public must inform the police. So my mom that I'll catch say they were just marching. And marching was what they want to achieve is what they have achieved. They have achieved the attention that they did. They want now I want to hammer the EC, say, oh my notice. And then they provoke the security agencies to make news. Say the security agencies, look at what they were saying. In the rally, no, they went there to provoke the police. They went there to make Jane Mensah look as if he doesn't respect them. They want to almost and I know you see how they are putting it so that they have more content and news items.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.